Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with system sounds not working on Windows 10 with simple and easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, check to ensure that your system volume is not muted. Click the volume icon and adjust the level. Hit the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Select Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters. Playing audio, then Run Troubleshooter. Follow the prompts on screen. The troubleshooter will detect any issues with your sound and will even fix them in some cases. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Device Manager. Open up Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your speaker, then select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Restart your system and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. The Windows icon, then type Services. Scroll down till you find Windows Audio. Right-click, then select Properties. If it's not running, ensure that you click Start here and ensure that Startup type is set to Automatic. Hit Apply, then hit OK. Finally, restart your system. Right-click the sound icon, then select Sound. Go to the Playback tab and select your speaker. Click Set Default, click Apply, then click OK. The issue still isn't fixed after following the steps in this video. It's an indicator that the problem is hardware related. I would advise you to take your system in for repairs. Alternatively, you can consider getting an external sound card. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.